Okay, so here, this is the web scraper that I showed you guys in the previous video, and here is pretty much where it goes. So it watches the new rows that the numbers are put into, and then it parses the number into a certain format and then brings it to VAPI, and then it is then updated a row that there's a call ID here, and then it takes it to the end of call report. And once this is done, it still parses the number just in case of any formatting issues. I just have it there for precaution. And then it goes to Google Sheets, and the end of call report is matched by phone number to number for searching the rows, and then you're updating the row with the row number. And this is all the evaluations from VAPI, which you will find here under structured data, and then name, email, notes, business, all that info is right there. And then you just put it into each row here, and then send out a message to the client if the filter is true with the success evaluation, meaning if they're interested or not, it will send them a text. So it doesn't bug clients when you're cold calling them, and if they're interested, it does forward them over more information. And within the text, you can send them a booking link or information, whatever you want to do. So this is pretty beneficial for cold calling. And this just, again, goes into the web scraper. So it would pretty much just go web scraper to part 1 of the call, and then to part 2 of the end call report. And then you can do whatever you want with this information. I haven't incorporated it into Go High Level yet or anything, but you can definitely do that just by adding a few more scenarios. But there's definitely going to be more scenarios I put out there, so make sure you guys follow and stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next one.